Welcome back, VST here, and as we say guys, I want to make a quick video today on something that I believe is very important and every Samsung user should go download, check and test those settings. So namely the updated version from the Samsung camera system, which started as a good luck module, right? But now it's just a very integral part of the whole Samsung camera stock experience. So I urge you guys, go on the Samsung Galaxy Store, search for camera assistant, download it. Once you download it guys, you are able to open it, right, and access it from there. But also when you just open your camera guys and click on the settings, you'll be probably amazed to scroll down and see there is a separate option for camera assistant guys. There are plenty of settings there, but I want to focus on the three main things, since Samsung really implementing some detailed controls of image sharpening via the picture softening option, and also some detailed options on the shutter speed, which was always a problem with a lot of Samsung users. Shutter speed, you take your phone out of the hand, you try to shoot something like moving kids and cars, in the time you press the shutter button and you take the picture, and then boom, you know, the kid is already gone or the car has moved apart. So what do we have here guys? Let's do a short recap. Besides having the much improved and detailed image sharpening features controlled by picture softening, and also much detailed control on the shutter speed via the capture speed, we have also something here called quick tap shutter, which really controls the timer guys and the way you are really able to take those pictures. Because especially in low light scenario, what happens guys? So in a low light scenario, you open your camera, you try to shoot something, right, and the moment you touch your phone, right, the moment your finger touches the shutter button guys, this can make the phone to go a bit wiggly, and then you get a blurry shot with all this fantastic stabilization and etc. Now this button guys, let me just show you. If I go back inside the camera assistant, I think this is very, very important guys, so that's why I urge you to really go and try it for yourself. Quick tap shutter, take pictures as soon as your finger touches the shutter button instead of when you lift it. But in this video guys, I want to focus on two main things. First thing is the picture softening. So we have three options: off, medium and high, right? And the other very important thing guys is capture speed, where you can choose between pre-authorized speed, which will go really for the quicker shutter, or pre-authorized quality, right, which we kind of like delay the shutter, but I am taking now all my pictures with pre-authorization on quality, unless I don't want my kids jumping around, where probably I'm gonna go and do the balance speed. So go try it for yourself guys, specifically for night photography. The pre-authorized on quality with the combination of picture softening set to medium is really king. And I want to show you guys some samples so you can just see what softening does. So I have here this fluffy test object. And why fluffy guys? Because this fluffy texture really helps to check the differences. So see here guys, the first picture, this one here, the upper one, is shot with softening set to off, and I'm just going to zoom here on the teeth. The second picture is with softening to medium, and you can already tell the difference, right? Just trying to zoom it a bit. So see here guys, right, this picture really, the sharpness is not so high compared to this one, and it kind of gives this like soft silky feeling. But now medium, if I go and choose the one that is, by the way, shot on softness set to high, the effect is even more dramatic. So see here, like this picture really has much more sharp details, right? And it's really up to a personal preference. Now the thing is guys, if you're not pixel peeping, right, some of these pictures might appeal to you in a different way. Some people prefer like more sharp images. Probably my case is like more sharp, but some people prefer like this more softened feel. And again, if I'm just trying to show you the difference guys, you can just see it here, no softening at all with softening, right? So you definitely see there is kind of like this softened silky layer on top of this. And guys, I really urge you, go and test those settings. They really will make a huge difference. And yeah, this is just the beginning of my tips, because I've spent weeks to test the S23 Ultra camera, and I have some very, very real use case scenarios for you. And if you like videos like this, you might as well want to sub for more. So like the video, sub, and see you next time. VST over.